If your screen is unresponsive on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, or there's like, frozen screen, let me show you how you can try to quickly fix this. So you will have to click and hold two buttons, the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's do this right now. And now we got the power off menu, but we have to still keep holding these two buttons. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds until our device turns off. And now when the screen goes black, we have to release. This is the easy method to force restart, and that's actually how we can fix this unresponsive screen. So when you're touching the screen of your Pixel 9 Pro, but it is just not working. So when you turn it off and on, it will actually start working. If your phone is not turning on as default, like it should, after the reset, you can just click and hold on the power button, and as you can see right now, it will turn on. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.